Are you ready to take your education to the next level? If so, Germany might just be the perfect destination for you. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about studying in Germany, from admission process to student life. I'll be exploring the reasons why Germany is a top destination for students from around the world. Hi, my name is Vikas Sharma from Brinda International. It's an overseas education consultancy. In this video, I'll give you an overview of Germany as a country, the admission process, the student life, the courses, job opportunities, wages, and everything you need to know. And in the last, some important tips for international students. So, let us start the video. Germany is located in Central Europe and it is bordered by 9 other countries. The population of Germany is more than 83 million, making it the most populous country in the Europe. The capital of Germany is Berlin, and other famous cities are like Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, and Cologne. German is the official language of Germany, but many people speak English also. The currency of Germany is euro. Germany has a strong and rich culture and history. It is known for its contribution to the arts, philosophy, and sciences. Germany has a manufacturing hub. It has a strong economy. It is known for its engineering and automotive industries. Germany is a leading destination for international students. Germany hosts many international festivals like Oktoberfest in Munich and the Berlin International Film Festival. So what are the benefits of studying in Germany? There are various benefits. Number 1, high quality education. Germany is known for its world-class education, with its universities constantly ranked among the best in the world. Number 2, affordability. Studying in Germany can be relatively affordable as compared to other European countries or other study abroad options like USA, Canada, Australia, UK. Number 3, employment opportunities. Germany is known for its thriving industries, which means there are ample opportunities for students for jobs after their graduation. Moreover, Germany has a strong economy and it is known for its highly skilled workforce, which makes Germany as an attractive destination for international students. Number 4, cultural experience. Studying in Germany gives international students to immerse themselves in a rich and a vibrant culture of Germany. It gives international students to explore historical sites, museums, arts galleries, etc. Moreover, German cities, they have a vibrant nightlife and a variety of social activities for international students to enjoy. And the last, learning a language. Germany gives you an opportunity to learn German language, which can be a valuable asset for many professional fields. So overall, studying in Germany can be an enriching experience for international students because it will give you a world-class education, ample job opportunities, and a rich culture to explore. Now we will come to the admission process. In admission process, first of all, the student needs to know if he or she is eligible to study in Germany or not. There are academic requirements, IELTS requirements that you need to follow. For example, if a plus 2 pass out student wants to take an admission for a graduation course or a bachelor's degree in Germany, he needs to have 60 to 65% in his or her 10th and plus 2 grades. This is the academic requirement. The IELTS requirement is 6, not less than 5.5, and some universities demand 13 years of education for the admission criteria in their bachelor's degree. For master's degree, student needs to have 60 to 65% in his or her graduation. The IELTS requirement is 6.5, not less than 6. So these are the requirements, academic and the IELTS requirement for the student. Now, what is the tuition fee? Tuition fee varies between 10,000 euro to 30,000 euro for a course in Germany. It depends on the university and the course. Two important steps that a student needs to follow are APS, obtaining APS certificate for their education. APS is mandatory for studying in Germany. What is APS? APS checks the authenticity of the documents that you provide to the university, and it gives you a certificate. The approximate fee is rupees 18,000, and Test AS is mandatory for the students who are going for a bachelor's degree in Germany. Test AS is an aptitude test which measures the intellectual and cognitive abilities of a student for higher education. And the block account is mandatory for studying in Germany. For example, in Canada, we open GIC account. In Germany, we open the block account. The embassy or the government of Germany asks student to deposit a particular amount as a living expenses in the block account. The approximate amount for the block account is 11,208 euros. The documents required for an offer letter from German universities are like your passport, your academic requirements, academic documents like your 10th plus 2 graduation mark sheet and degrees, and your letter of recommendation from your school, college or your workplace. SOP, statement of purpose, or an essay is required. So these are the documents required for application, and it is very important to know the deadlines. There are summer intake and fall intake in Germany in which you can apply. These are the major intakes. Otherwise, there are rolling intakes also in which the universities participate in Germany. So these are the requirements for the application in Germany. The popular programs that you can study in Germany are engineering, computer science, business and management, medicine, natural sciences. These are some of the popular programs that you can study in Germany. The cost of living in Germany. The cost of living depends upon various factors like in which city you are living, your lifestyle and accommodation that you choose. So there are various factors. But on an average, we can tell you that on accommodation you may spend around 350 to 500 euros. On your food you spend around 150 to 200 euros. On transportation you spend around 50 to 100 euros. Health insurance, which is mandatory in Germany, you may spend around 100 to 120 euros. And miscellaneous expenses you can count 100 to 200 euros. So overall you spend around 800 to 1200 euros in a month and you can count it as your cost of living in Germany. If we talk about stay back in Germany, so after your completion of your studies, you can apply for a job search visa, and you will get 18 months, or you may say that 1.5 years after your studies you can stay. So the stay back is 1.5 years. In this you can apply for a job, and after completion of this stay back period you can extend your work permit. And after spending like 5 years in Germany, which includes your education also, You are eligible for applying PR, permanent residency, in Germany. Salary after your studies. See, there are various factors like in which field are you doing job, so it depends on that. But if you talk about the entry level jobs, an average student can earn between 30,000 euro to 45,000 euro. There are jobs like marketing assistant, junior software developer. So these people can earn easily around 30,000 to 45,000 euro per annum. And if the student comes to mid-level, he or she can earn around 45,000 euro to 70,000 euros per annum. And after gaining some experience, you come to senior level jobs. Senior level job candidate can earn between 70,000 euro to 1 lakh euro per annum. Some important tips for international students. Number 1. Learn the German language. Though it is not mandatory, but it is advisable to learn German. Reason being, it helps you in getting a good job while studying and even after the completion of your studies. Number 2. Be prepared for the weather. Weather can be unpredictable. Like in winters, Germany is quite cold and snowy, and in summers it can be quite hot and humid. So be prepared for the weather. We know your visa requirements before applying and get to know the culture, get involved in campus activities, and lastly, enjoy every moment while you're studying in Germany. Reason being, Germany is a beautiful country with rich culture and heritage. So enjoy this golden time of yours. And if you know more about how to start the process, what are the charges, what are the fee structure, academic requirements, more in detail, you can call us. We'll give you a proper guidance on this. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.